Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make beef tomato. Tomatoes are ready to harvest, making beef tomato the perfect recipe to use for those fresh tomatoes. Here are the following ingredients. First, make the marinade for the beef. Combine in a medium-sized bowl shoyu, sugar, liquor, and cornstarch. Mix it well. Then add in the beef and combine them together. Cover and let it marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. In the meantime, you can start making the gravy. In a bowl, add in the broth, shoyu, salt, and cornstarch. Mix it until the cornstarch no longer sticks to the bottom. Set aside. Over medium heat, saute briefly the garlic in an oiled pan or wok. Then add in the beef and let it cook for about 2 minutes or until the meat has been browned. Remove the beef from the wok and set it aside. Lightly oil the same wok and add in the onions and stir fry it for about 1 minute. Then add in the green bell peppers and stir fry it for another minute. Next, add in the celery and stir fry that for another minute. Add the beef back in and stir fry it for about a minute or two. Lastly, add in the gravy and let it simmer for about 5 minutes while stirring constantly until it has thickened. Add in the tomatoes and lightly mix it in for just 30 seconds. Then garnish it with green onions. Turn off the heat and serve it over hot, sticky rice and enjoy this onalicious beef tomato.